So, Matt, I want to show you this. Have you heard of Tourne?
From Slovenia?
Yeah.
Yeah. New to the UK?
Yeah, they launched at the February NEC show, and they've been doing all the Warner's outdoor shows, so here we are again. But I've just been away in their slightly cheaper model, the Cruise. This is the posher one, the Select. Main difference being the curves on the furniture, just gives it a bit more style inside. But the quality is what really impressed me.
I saw this in Harrogate at the show.
Yeah.
It was in the foyer, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And I was stunned. The finish is lovely. Yeah. It's really, really beautifully done.
And in Harrogate, they had a mirror underneath so you could see the heated and insulated wastewater tank.
Yeah.
Because another of their USPs, if you like, is the winterisation. They've really gone serious about winter camping.
So it's an all-year van.
Really is, yeah. They've even got a heated floor in the main living area.
It's electric, isn't it?
Yeah.
Underfloor heating.
Yeah.
Very posh, as you say, posh.
Yeah. Very nice when you get out of bed and you just walking about in your socks.
Bare feet.
Bare feet, yeah.
And it even comes with the
You're good at jigsaws.
least exciting jigsaw for the kids. I've got a puzzle for you kids, only one piece.
Normally these jigsaws where they're all the same colour are quite difficult, but this one's easy.
God, it was clever, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is very nice. It's solid as well. I can't get it apart. There we go. And of course this kitchen unit here has a hidden stool.
Yeah, that just slides out. Grab the cushion from the overcab shelf.
So somebody could sit here and eat at the table, hence the extended leaf. Yeah, it's very good.
But what I preferred was sitting in that seat, and you can put your feet up on there. It's nice, sort of like a recliner then.
Yeah, it is. And this becomes a bed, doesn't it?
It does. This whole area, they call it the Dream 4 system, and this whole area makes a proper sort of one adult, one child, one teenager, one smaller child, because you've got the shape around the kitchen. But it makes a proper bed in this space without going to a pop top and somebody sleeping in a
tent.
Yeah.
And a fixed double bed at the rear.
Yep, across the back. Now this is the 6 metre version.
Right.
They also do it in the longer van, the 6.3 6 metre van, and then you can sleep lengthways.
So it's got single type beds. And the bed folds up, doesn't it? So you can move a fence panel or flat pack furniture, which is very handy. Now in your video, I saw you do a review of this when this was in Harrogate, and you were demonstrating the toilet.
Yet another shot of me sitting on the loo. But yeah, I mean,
keep your trousers on.
You've got a nice size basin, room for your legs to go underneath it. It's a really...
I think that's what I heard you talking about, the fact that your legs go under the basin.
Yeah, because they haven't put a cupboard here.
Yeah, that's right. That's actually very practical.
And there's no shower curtain, so you've got a nice shower that you don't get all stuck to the curtain.
Right, wash your hands, come on.
So this one's got all the toys on it. You've got things like electric wastewater emptying, heated windscreen. What else have you got? Isofix. You've got all the modern driver assistance systems.
Yeah, it's traffic jam assist. Does it clear the traffic jam out of your way?
That would be good, wouldn't it? I want that on my next car.
That'd be really good. It's got alloy wheels. I mean, it's got these spats around the wheels. I love that. That's a really nice look. I think it looks fantastic.
It does look nice, doesn't it? You've got the flush windows.
Yeah.
Graphics are fairly modest. Yeah, it looks
contemporary type graphics.
Yeah.
Quite subtle.
I think the whole van has a nice fresh feel to it.
It does. Fresh is a good description. It is very fresh. Yeah. It's very nice. This one, £90,000.
Yeah.
So
starting price 84.5.
Yeah. It's a lot of money for a van.
It is.
It's a lot of van. It's a lot of camper van, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's very nice.
And if you can't quite stretch to this, there is the Cruise model that sits just a little bit below.
Yeah. It's nice to see a new manufacturer in the UK, isn't it?
And one doing such a high quality product.
Yeah.